Welcome to Quiz Corner. In this video, we are going to learn about chapter 1 number system. Under number system, we are going to learn decimals. Firstly, we will see try these sums. Here, first sum, observe the following and write the fraction of the shaded portion and mention in decimal form also. The first figure is, it is being divided into 8 equal parts. Out of the 8, 4 is colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write the fraction. In the numerator, please shaded part and the total number of parts, including of both shaded and unshaded. You will get 4 by 8. And this you can simplify by using the 4 table. It goes 1 time and 8 goes 2 times. So you get 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 can be written as 0.5. This is the first one answer. And now, second question. In the second question, we have 10 parts totally. 10 parts. Out of that, 3 is colored. So we can write it as 3 by 10. This is nothing but 0.3. Because write the 3 numerator number as it is and see the denominator. It is 10. 10 means mark only one decimal point from the right. So 0.3. Same way, the third one, there also we have totally 10 figures. The colored one is 5. So 5 by 10. Always write in the denominator, please, total number of figure or shaded part, whatever. So this 5 by 10, you can write it as 0.5. Write the numerator as it is and in the denominator we have 10. So move only one step towards right. So 0.5. And the second question, represent the following fractions in a decimal form by converting denominator into 10 or powers of 10. Okay, fractional form is given 3 by 5. How to write it in decimal form? To write it in a decimal form, always in the denominator place 10, 100 or 1000 must be there. Only then we can write in the decimal form without dividing the number. If so, how will you make in the denominator place 10, 100 or 1000? 5 is here. When you multiply by 2, you will get 10 in the denominator place. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6. So 6 by 10 can be written as 0.6. Same way, 4 by 10. This is already in the denominator place 10. So 0.4. And 2 by 4 is here. This 2 by 4, first you simplify it as a 1 by 2. Because it is divisible by 2. And this 1 by 2 again you can multiply by 5. Why? Because to make the denominators number 10. So 1 by 2 into 5 by 5, that gives you 5 by 10. So this can be written as 0.5. Next, 4 by 20. Even this also, either you can multiply by 5 by 5. 4 5s are 20. 25s are 100. Now, 20 you write as it is the numerator number and 100. In the 100 we have 2-digit number, 2 zeros. So point after show me 2-digit number and before you add 0. This is one way. And 7 by 10. This is easy because already it is with the denominator 0.7 is the answer. And the next question. Represent the following decimal numbers pictorially. 5 ones and 3 tens. So ones always you can take it as a square boxes like this. This is for 5 ones. And 10 means this one part is being divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of the 10, only 3 you need to shade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. If so, this is called 3 tenths. Same way, 6 tenths. There is no whole part at all, only the decimal part. So take one number, one full square box, divide into 10 equal parts because the tenth is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shade the 6 parts. Same way, 7 ones and 9 tenths. 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is for 7 ones. Then what about the 9 tenths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So shade the 9 parts. This is 9 tenths. Clear? Same way 7 tenth also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So shade only the 7 parts. This is how you can do. And the next sum. Okay, all this we have completed. Next we are going to write it in a place value grid. So the decimal number, so far we have learnt how we can represent the national number in the place value grid. Now we are going to learn how we can show the decimal numbers in the place value grid. 56.78 is the first number. So here this is ones place, tens place. Point after first digit is called as tens. To differentiate that I am writing TS. This is hundreds. So first write the whole part number. This is called whole part number, decimal part number. Ones, tens. And this is tens, hundreds. So show 7, 8, 6, 5. So this is how you can do the next sum. 123.32. Here we have ones, tens, hundreds. These are all whole part number. And this is decimal part number. What's the first place of decimal? Tens, hundreds. So draw a tabular column. This is for hundreds. This is for tens. This is for whole number ones, tens and hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 3. That's how you can write. And the last sum 354.56. Always read it as a 56. This is 10th place, 100th place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So for the whole number 100, tens, ones. Ones, tens, 100. Now write the decimal. Tens, hundreds. So 354.56. Next one. Express the following measurement in terms of meter and in decimal form. One is done for you. 7 meter 36 centimeter. That can be written in meters. Write the meters. 7 meter 36 centimeter. So this is your whole part number. And this is your decimal point number. So you must write it in a decimal form like this. Okay. So 7.36 we can write in decimal form. Same thing how we can write in words means 7 meter 36 hundredths of a meter. Why? Because 1 meter is divided into 100 parts. From the 100 we have taken 36.